What is the name?
Sir, my name is Abhishek.
Abhishek. Abhishek, so please tell me what he said.
So my name is Abhishek Gautam. My father's name is Mr. Radhika Prasad Gautam. I am from Riba, Madhya Pradesh. So there are four members in my family, including me, my father's, and my mother's, and I have elder brother. So I have completed my graduation in BSc Computer Science, and I pursuing my MSc in Computer Science, 2020. And
Okay.
recently, I have completed my full stack web development certification from Pro Skill Hub and pursuing my internship from last 6 months.
Okay. So what are the languages you have covered during your full stack development certification?
So I have language covered HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript, React.Js.
Okay, so are you a fresher or do you have any experience?
I have experience.
So have you made any projects?
I have made 3 projects. 2 e-commerce projects similar to Amazon and Flipkart, and third, we create a project, the grocery store.
Okay, so explain your project, please.
First for all, I have created a bar, and I have added nav links, and inside the nav links I have added functionalities like routing. Routing means that is redirect the next page without refreshing the web page, and
Mhm.
I have added form validations.
Okay. Okay, so Abhishek, what is React?
React is a JavaScript library created by Meta and Meta community. It is the tool for building a single-page web application. It is used for especially building a single-page web application, and it is used to build reusable UI components.
What is JSX?
JSX stands for JavaScript XML.
Mhm.
That is helps to developer write HTML in our React project.
What is hook and types of hooks?
Hooks are simple JavaScript function, and its work to separate reusable parts from functional components. We have some hooks like use state, use memo, use reducer, use contest, use callback. Use state is a hook that is used to add state in our functional components, and it's written a two value in array, first state and second a function to update it. And use memo is used to increase uh, our our application performance. And okay, sir.
Okay, so what is use memo hook?
Use memo is a hook that is used to increase our application performance. That is written always memo-wise result or memo value.
What are the advantages of React?
Basically, React uses to creating single page web application, and it's have a power of reusable components and
What is JSX?
JSX. JSX stands for JavaScript XML. It is used to add and write HTML in React.
What is the difference between props and state?
Props are used to pass data, and state are used to store data. And props are immutable, means once a set can't be changed, and state are mutable, means once set and over time the change. Props used in both like functional components and class components, and state is used only class components.
What is the difference between proxy and ref?
Sorry.
What are the limitations of React?
Sorry, sir.
What is the difference between stateless and stateful component?
Stateless components means this is also known as functional components. Uh, it does not a life cycle method, and that does not managed state. And stateless stateful function, like it is also known as class components. And
So why do you want to switch the company? Why do you want to join our company?
sir, I improve my skill. I have no better options for this company to improve my skills and my futures.
What are arrow function?
Arrow functions, uh, which functions don't have any name, and functions keyword. It's built for only arrow and curly braces. This is called arrow function.
What is first class function?
First class function. Which function we can assign a function as a variable, and we can return a function. And okay, sir.
What is the difference between double equals to and triple equals to operator?
Double equals, both are comparison operator. Double equals to compare the value of variable, and triple equals to compare the value of variable data type of variable.
What is prototype chain?
Every object have built-in property which is called its prototype, and prototype itself an object, and so the prototype will have its own object, making what called prototype chain. Prototype chain basically is a mechanism that is used to object inherit a method and property to another object.
What is the purpose of array slice method?
Array slice method. Okay. It is used to return selected elements in array.
What is the use of array splice method?
It is used to add or remove array elements. It's about two parameter like position and how many items.
What is hosting?
Hosting means the JS engine move the variable declaration to the top of script.
And what are closures?
Closure is a combination of functions bundled together with the references of surrounding state or lexical scope. Closures allow to access outer function scope inside the inner function.
What is IIFE? Immediately invoked function.
Immediately invoked function is a immediately invoked function. Basically, this is used to redeclare variable without any error.
What is current function?
Current function take multiple arguments and functions to transform a number of functions, and each function accept one argument and return a new function that is called current function.
What is pure function?
Sorry, sir.
What is pure function?
Pure functions, which function accept an input and return a same output, that is called pure function.
What is
Without
redux?
modify any
What is redux?
redux. Redux is a predictable state container, and it is designed to help write JavaScript, and its work consistently. It is mostly used to manage state.
Okay. What are the core concepts of redux?
Redux have a three core concepts like action, state, and reduction. Action represent the event triggers state changes, and reducer is a function that accept two objects, action and state. Okay.
What is memoization?
Sorry, sir.
What is memoization?
Memoization is a hook that is used to increase application performance. It always return memoized value.
What is cookie?
Cookie is a small text file. It is store data in key value pairs.
Okay, what is API?
API stands for Application Programming Interface. It is the set rules and protocols that allow to developer different application to communicate and interact with each other. And API defines the data format and functions.
What is a salary expectation, Abhishek?
Sorry, sir.
What is a salary expectation?
So I'm looking for 6 LP at least. Whatever the company expectation, we can discuss on it.